Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding and Using the Def Statement in Python. Introduction. The def statement in Python is a fundamental building block for defining functions. Functions allow you to group a set of statements into a single unit that can be called and reused throughout your code. In this tutorial, we'll explore the def statement, its syntax, and provide examples to help you grasp its usage. Syntax. The basic syntax for defining a function using the def statement is as follows. Example 1, simple function. Example 2, function with default parameter. Example 3, function with multiple parameters. Conclusion. The def statement in Python is a powerful tool for creating reusable and modular code. By defining functions, you can encapsulate logic, improve code readability, and make your programs more maintainable. Experiment with different function examples to solidify your understanding of the def statement and its various use cases. ChatGPT.